Okay. So now you may observe here. So as we know that first question, understanding always the time and speed will give you the acceleration. So if the graph is like this increasing always, then we can say this graph is what they are asking. What first question? What does the nature of the graph shown below they are asking? So you may observe here the graph, it is increasing straight line. Straight line means we can say uniform. Understanding? It is what? It is what?
Uniform acceleration.
Uniform, and as well as speed and time will give you what? Acceleration. That's all. You cannot find it. So that is what the first part. Next, also find the acceleration of the car they are asking. So as we know, acceleration equals to what is the formula? Ramonish, Jalra. Acceleration equals
A
to
equal to U,
huh?
A equal to U plus A.
B plus A. Na? Nonsense, Ram. Wow. What you are talking, at least you don't know. Senseless fellow. So what is that?
A equal to V by U, sir.
V by U. Ah.
V by T, sir.
So acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So this is what? What, Monisha? Go. What are you
Sir,
doing?
I am till, sir.
So acceleration
Sir,
equals
I'm A equal to V minus U by T, sir.
minus u by t. So now you may observe here, they already given the time period also here. We no need to find any value. You can find any value. So as we know that, Elamukil or Tamil Selvan, you tell me, in a speed and a time graph, what will give the acceleration? What will give the acceleration? Slope will give the acceleration. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? The slope of the graph
Yes, sir.
acceleration. So the slope of the graph will give the acceleration. So to represent this slope, understanding they already given some points. So this is what we can call as slope of the graph. Do you understand? So let us consider the slope of the graph. This is the final velocity V2. They mentioned clearly in the picture. And this is the initial velocity V1. Understand? And as well as this is the final time and this is the initial time. Just you can substitute, you will get the answer. But here it is in what? Minutes. So we have to convert it into seconds. Nothing is there. So acceleration is equals to final velocity is how much, Ra? Final velocity is how much in picture? Picture you may observe. How much?
10.
10 minus initial velocity is how much? Anywhere you can find.
7.5.
You can find 0 also.
7.5.
Understanding? 7.5 divided by time. Time you can check. T2 equals how much?
20.
20 minus T1 is equals to how much? 15. But it is
15.
minutes. Understand? It is in minutes. This is in meter per second. So we have to convert it into seconds. This one. So 10 minus J7. 10 minus 7.5. How much, Ra?
2.5.
2.5. Understand? 2.5 divided by 20 minus 15. How much, Ra?
5.
5.
Understanding? So we have to convert it into seconds. So which is equal, so I can write. So 2.5 divided by 5 into minute 5. 1 minute equals how many seconds? 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
So acceleration A equals to, you can write, understanding? So 2.5 divided by 5 into 60, how much, Ra? 300 seconds. So 2.5 divided by 300. What is the unit of acceleration, Monish? What is the unit of acceleration? Meter per?
Second square.
Second square.
Second you are saying, I am writing second square, then you are saying second square. So meter
Sir,
per?
second square only, sir. Second square, that only tells, sir.
Do fast, do this division and tell me, all of you. 2.5 divided by 300. Do the division and tell me fast. How much? How much, Ra? 0.0083 meter per second square. That is will come. Do it now. One by 120. Yeah. What, brothers? 1 by 120. Okay, that is also correct. You can do it. Start solving. How much you got? 0.0083. Have you got the answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Monish, Tamil Selvan.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir.
that is what. You cannot do that. This is also you not solve in exam. Always you remember, like this graph is indicating uniform acceleration, and the slope of the graph will give you what? Acceleration. Slope of the graph will give you what? Acceleration.
Acceleration.
Understanding graph. That is. Next, second one. Second question you see. Observe carefully. Second question. What is there? With the help of a graph, derive the V equals U plus AT. Means second, the first equation, Ray. First equation we have to derive with the help of graph. What is the graph, Ra? This graph, Ray,
Acceleration.
remember, I have taught you the graphical representation of motion. That is, man. This is O. This is A. Understanding, this is C and this is B and middle point is D. With the help of this graph, can you able to derive the first equation or not? We cannot derive. Huh? With the help of graph means graphical representation, Ray, graphical representation of motion. With the help of this graph, we have to derive the understanding V equals to U plus AT. Do you forget it? How many of you forgot that? You forgot it? Equations of motion, I have not taught you. Do I have taught you or not?
Yes, sir.
And then why you not solved in exam? Monisha, why you not solved, Amma? Have you solved? Tell Ra. Now not speaking. Why you not solved, Ra? So now you see. We'll solve it. So what is the equation? Tell me first equation, correct? We have to derive first equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First equation means what? V equals to?
U plus AT.
Even 1,000 times I will teach also, you will not solve. By graphical method. By graph means you have to derive it by graphical method. V equals to U plus AT. So now as we know the graph, if we take the graph, so the body is already having some initial velocity. That is, we used to assume as what? U. And from there, it is uniform acceleration. So final velocity is reaches to B. And that is called as BC. So the midpoint is D. So if we'll extend this one, that is called as E point. So and this axis is called as what?
Time.
Axis. And this is final velocity. This is called as what? Final velocity.
Final velocity.
Understand? So now you may observe from this itself we can derive it. So as we know that here only one thing you should remember, the slope of the graph will give you what? The slope of the graph. The slope of the graph give you what?
Acceleration.
X or no? The slope of the graph will
Yes,
give
sir.
you acceleration. So uniform acceleration. So now that's all. So now from the graph if you'll observe, from graph, if you'll observe, BD is equals to, you may observe carefully here, BC is equals to combination of two lengths, that is BD plus DC. Will you accept it, all of you? Darun,
Yes, sir.
Darun, will you accept it or not? This is a combination of two things. Will you accept it or not? So what is that? Can you able to say? So I am asking you that BD is the, you may observe carefully here, BD is the combination, BC is the combination of two distances. What is that? Can you able to say? One is BD plus DC. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, can I write BD is equal, BC is equals to BD plus DC. Is it yes or no? Let us imagine this is the equation number 1. Now, you may observe carefully here in the rectangle, as we know that if you observe this is OADC. OADC is the rectangle. So OADC is the rectangle. So as we know rectangle, what is the property? Ra? What is the property?
Opposite sides are equal.
Understanding, opposite sides are equal to each other. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So now,
Sir.
you tell me. So I can write instead of DC, what I can write? Instead of DC, what I can write? Instead of DC, what I can
AO.
write?
AO. Parallel by AO.
Understand? So that is. So this is what the first equation. Now you can write from the graph. BC is equals to what? Ra? BC is equals to what? BC is equals to final
V.
velocity V. Next, DC is equals to, which is equals to
Initial
E, or OA, which is equals to what? OA is
U.
equals to what? u.
Initial velocity.
So now that let us substitute these values in the equation 1. So BC is equals to V, which is equals to BD plus DC. DC is equals to what? DC is equals
U.
to U. So let us
U.
imagine this is the equation number 2. So now we want BD. So how to calculate BD? That is the most important. So from the graph, if you'll observe, acceleration is equals to what? Can you able to say slope of this graph? So what is the slope of this graph? Anybody? Acceleration from graph again. From graph, acceleration A is equals to what is the slope graph? BD divided by AD. Is it
By
yes or
AD.
BD divided by AD? Can you able to notice it? BD slope.
Yes, sir.
BD divided by AD is the slope of the graph. So and also you know that AD is equals to what? AD is parallel to
Time.
AD is parallel to
Time.
so which is equals to what?
Force.
Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So now, understand from the graph, as we know that AD, which is equals to OC, which is equals to T. So A is equals to BD divided by AD. AD means what? Which is equals to T. So now we want only BD. So from this, what will happen? BD is equals to, please. BD is equals to T will come this side. What will happen? Elamukil Daron.
80.
Multiplication.
So that's all. So which is equals to equation number 3. Let us assume. Now substitute equation 3 in. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Equation 1. So what will happen? Sorry, equation 1, not equation 2. Equation 2. So now equation 2. So what is happening? B equals to BD plus U. This is the equation 2. Now instead of BD, what I can write? BD is equals
80.
to what? AT plus U. If we'll rearrange, we is to get V equals to U plus AT. So this is what our first equation of motion. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot derive, you cannot solve this one also. So this is what I am asking, but nobody has solved it. So only 1 or 2 solved. Why? What happened? I don't know. Is it difficult thing? How many times I have solved you? Is it yes or no? You have to derive it with the help of graph. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes,
Solve
sir.
it now. All of you. Solve it now again, all of you. Nothing will happen. If you have doubt, ask me. Darun, do you understand, Darun? Speak, Ray, Darun. Yes, sir, but exam nobody is solving. Solve it. Tamil Selvan. This is what is this? Second question. Now, shall we move to third question? Solve it. Once if it is completed, you tell me. Completed, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for next question?
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 3. You have PDF current open. Question number 3 now. Shall we start? Manya?
Sir.
Now, observe carefully. Nobody solved correctly this question also. Very simple question, but I don't know what is happening to everybody. Understand? Lakshya joined, Manya also joined, Alana noted joined. Okay. So now, observe carefully all of you. So this is what the question they have given. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This is what the question they have given. Very simple, Ra. So as we know that, observe carefully. Understand? So whenever we are finding, see what they are asking, study the times. Laksha, you listen very carefully. You are only, majorly I am saying you. Understand? Study the speed time graph. Speed time graph. So as we know that speed time graph will give you always what, Ra? Speed and time graph will give you what?
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
So speed time graph always will give you what? Acceleration. Slowly I will teach you, try to understand. So study the speed time graph of a body given here and answer the following questions they are asking. So now observe very carefully, understanding speed time graph they are asking. So now, as we know that, what type of motion is represented by OA? OA means, you observe very carefully. OA means what it is? It is straight line. Straight line means first what I should use a word called as uniform. What I can use?
Uniform.
So it is increasing or decreasing? Increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
It is increasing. So increasing means what it is? Increasing acceleration or decreasing acceleration?
Increasing acceleration.
So I can write OA is called as uniform increasing acceleration. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's all. So you cannot write that. That is next second part. As we know that if the speed is if it is like that, speed is constant, means if it is going straight line, as I said, what is that straight line? If it is not increasing like that, it is going like this, then we can say what? It is what?
Constant.
Constant speed.
Understanding. So speed is constant. So that acceleration is equals to what? No change in
0 meter per
Zero.
is equals to 0
0
meter
meter
per second
per
square. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
So from
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
B, from A to B, acceleration A is equals to 0 meter per
0
second.
meter per second square.
OA is opposite to BC. You may observe here. Here it is increasing and here it is decreasing.
Decreasing.
Is it yes or no? So decreasing again
Yes, sir.
straight line. Again straight line. So from BC I can say again straight line means it is called as what? Uniform. But it is coming downwards. So what I should say? Uniform decreasing. Uniform decreasing.
Decreasing.
Decreasing acceleration. What I should say?
Decreasing acceleration.
Decreasing acceleration. All of you, do you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
So, Laksha, do you understand Laksha this one? Again you say don't know. Again in exam you won't write. Be very careful. If it is increasing, all of you remember, it is like this increasing, uniform increasing acceleration. Understand? So if it is decreasing like this is also we can call it as retardation. What we should call?
Retardation.
So all of you should note it down this retardation. Now you see, they are asking that find out the acceleration of the body. So acceleration means where it will come, this one or this one? Anybody? Where is acceleration?
OA.
Middle we know that acceleration is already 0. So this one or this one will come. Acceleration.
OA.
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 Acceleration of the body means between OA. Is it yes or no? So acceleration,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula? What is the formula? Acceleration is equals to
V minus U by T.
V minus by U by T.
initial velocity divided by understanding
T.
final time minus initial time. Is it yes or no? In graph.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the final velocity here? This is the final point. Here it is reached. What is the final velocity?
6.
6 meters.
Sir.
understanding, minus. What is the initial, where it is starting from? Where it is
0.
This is U, understanding, this is B, understand. Next, so 0 meter per second divided by, finally where it is reached at what time? What time?
4.
4.
Understanding, where it is started initially?
0.
0 seconds.
Oh.
Understand? So which is equals to 6 by 4 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. Yes or no, Ra?
Yes, sir.
So now 6 by 4 means how much? Solve it.
3 by 2.
So yeah, 3 by 2. So 4 ones are, so you can take it. 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means how much? 1.5 meter per second square. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So like
Yes,
this.
sir.
So acceleration of a dot which is equals to 1.5 meter per second square. Next, E part, D part you have solved. E part, calculate the retardation they are asking. So what is the retardation in graph? Can you able to observe? What is the retardation? Anybody?
BC.
Retardation. Others speak, yeah. Why you are sitting silently? Darun, only one is speaking. What is that? Retardation.
BC.
Equals to
BC,
what?
BC,
BC.
BC.
So BC. So in this, what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is B. Final velocity
B.
is C. So final velocity is reaches to the what? Reaches to 0. Understanding? 0 meter per second. And initial velocity is 6 meter per second. That is, remember, decreasing acceleration minus will come. So now time period also you can check it. So acceleration, retardation is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time minus initial time. So now, what is the final velocity? Graph, observe carefully. What is the final velocity? It reaches to
0.
0 meter per second.
So 0. So final velocity is 0. What is the initial velocity? 6 divided
6.
by. What is the final time? What is the final time?
16.
16. What is the initial time? 10.
10.
So what will come? 16 minus 10
minus 10.
equals to minus 6 divided
Minus 6 by
meter per second square. So 6 ones
Square.
are, which is equals to minus 1
minus
meter per second.
meter per second square.
Decreasing acceleration. So that is why we are getting value is equals to minus. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
That is. Note it down. Solve it all of you. Now you solve without seeing. Laksha, do you understand Laksha now? Manya, you also not at all have done correctly. Nobody has done correctly. Everybody, Pradosh, everyone has done mistake. Tamil Selvan, do you understand Tamil Selvan?
Yes, sir.
If you are yes sir, then why you are not solving an exam? Everybody same problem. I don't know what is happening. Solve it. Now last one, what they are asking, find out the distance traveled. So distance means how we can calculate. Anybody, any idea? Laksha, Manya, Samaya, anybody, any idea how to calculate distance? Distance
The
means
area of the
yeah, very good, Elmokel. So give you area of this one will give you distance. But they are asking only area between where? Area
A
from
to B.
between
A to B.
means from this point to this point. So from this point to this point means this is the area they are asking. So which looks like a what? Which looks like a what?
Square.
Square. So what is the area of a square? Area of a square.
S into S.
Side into side. Correct or not? Or else you can take rectangle also, not a problem. Understand?
Rectangle, sir, rectangle.
Rectangular square. It is looks like a square only, but you can consider as a rectangle because few times you will get confused. So now you may
Yes, sir.
observe the rectangular square we have. Is it yes or no? So side into side.
sir.
So this side, how much you tell me? This side,
6.
10 minus 4.
4,
Equals to 6.
4 minus
6. And
6.
this side, how much side? This is also side equals to 6 minus 0.
6.
It's also 6. So find out the distance traveled by a body from A to B. Distance traveled S is equals to, understanding, from A to B, AB, which is equals to area of a square. Understanding? So which is equals to side into side, which is equals to how much? 6 into 6. Understanding? Which is equals to how much, Ra?
36.
36.
6 meters. That is what you should remember. So the distance traveled from A to B, which is equals to 36 meters, but no speed, increasing speed. So acceleration is equals to what? 0 meter
Zero.
per second square. Understanding? From A to B alone. Note it down.
கரெக்டா போட்டிருக்கேன்.
A to B, which is equals to 36 meters. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Suppose if they'll ask you from O to A, what is the difference? What is the distance? From O to A, this one. O to A means what? Half BH, correct or not? Half into base is 4, height is 6. Here they will ask you, what is the area, what is the distance traveled from B to C? How much it is B to C? Half into how much?
Base into H.
Base into height. So base is how
Base
much?
into height.
Base is 6. Understanding? 16 minus 10, 6. And height is also 6. That is what you should remember. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Solve it. What is sir, Monish? Not all solved anything in exam, Monish.
Yes, all.
I have taught you, Monish. Personal also I have taught you. But then also you are not studying. So A to B. So A to B, how much it is, Laksha? Do you understand, Laksha, how to solve now? Solve it now without seeing you solve it. But exam you have not solved anything. How many times I should say? Always it is increasing acceleration, this is decreasing acceleration, this is constant speed. Under this graph, whatever it is present, that will give you the distance traveled by the body. Is it yes or no, Ra? That
Yes,
is.
sir.
All of you solve it this question. Next question number what? Question number 4.
4.
So now let us go for question number 4. What they have given you, check it. So question number 4 also very simple question, but I don't know why you not solve. Hello, start. Question number 4. Can you able to see her? All of you can able to see the question number 4.
Sir.
Yes.
What they are asking, check it. Again, same thing. So the graph given below shows the positions of a body at different times. Calculate the speed of the body as it moves from A to B, understanding B to C and C to D. That's all. Speed we should calculate. So how to calculate speed? You observe here carefully. So time and distance. So time versus distance, what will give always? Distance and time graph. Distance and time graph will give you what, Ray?
Speed.
Will give you always speed.
Speed.
Yes or no? Which will give you speed. So as we know, speed is equals to what is the formula? Speed is equals to what?
Distance by time.
Distance by time. This is also so many has done wrong. Understanding? They are writing a V into T. What is this? Understanding? So we want speed. Speed is equals to, this is the formula. So speed is equals to, speed V is equals to distance. Understanding? So distance we used to represent with S. Understanding? Divided by time period T. So now first they are asking, they are just asking to calculate distance from A to B. From A to B distance, understanding how much it is. So what is the speed? Observe carefully distance. What is the distance covered? What is the distance covered? 3 meters, 3 centimeters. And by the time, what is the time taken? What is the time taken? 5 minus 2, which is equals how much? 5
3.
minus 2, how much? How much?
3.
3
3.
seconds. So distance in case 1 from A to B, speed is equals to, distance covered is 3 centimeters, time is equals to 3 seconds, which is equals to how much, Ra? Second 3 will get cancelled. So 1 centimeter per second. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Nobody will respond. Next, B to C, you observe. B to C.
Yes, sir.
Distance, same distance. So what is happening? Speed is equals to 0. Understanding, Ra? Because distance covered by a body is same, it is not increasing. So same at next B to C. B to C speed is equals to 0 centimeter divided by time is equals to how much, Ra? 7 minus 5. 2 seconds.
2.
Understand? 2 seconds. So which is equals to 2 seconds. Understanding? So 0 by anything? 0 centimeter per second. Do you understanding, Laksha? Next, C to D. C to D, you tell me. C to D, how much? C to D, you people tell me. I won't speak. C to D, which is equals to what is the distance covered? C to D, what is the distance covered? Check it, final and initial, man. Final and this initial. This is C point and this is D point. What is the distance traveled? Please, Pradosh. What is the distance traveled?
4.
Huh?
4.
4.
4.
You can say 4.
4.
How you can say 4? Finally 7.
7 minus 3.
7 and initial is 3. So that I can say distance is equals to 4 centimeters. And what is the time taken? 9 minus
2.
7 is equals
2,
to
2, 2.
2 seconds. Understanding? So that is what you should remember. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now, so what will come? Distance traveled from C to D is equals to what will come? 4 centimeter divided by 2 seconds. So 2 ones are 2 twos are equals to 2 centimeter per second. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you solve it now. This is the simplest question, but this also not solved. I don't know what we'll do. Okay, do it. All of you solve this now. Manya, do you understand, Manya? Solve it, solve it. Saying yes or not, you have to solve. Solve. Immediately solve. Very simple, Ra. Very simple also. Always you should remember, distance and time graph will give speed, as well as speed and the time graph will give what?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. That is what you should remember. Understand? If no change in distance, velocity is 0. If no change in speed, acceleration is 0. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you. That is what you should remember. Note it down. If distance is not, after solving, all of you solve first. If distance is constant, then speed is equals to 0. Equals to 0 in distance time graph. In distance time graph. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
If speed is constant, if speed is constant, means constant speed. Understand? Constant, then acceleration is equals to acceleration equals to 0 in speed time graph. Do you understand, all of you? These 2 points, note it down. Is it clear, Laksha? Manya? Mavanish, Tamil Selvan, Daron, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yelamukil will speak, Yelamukil will study. Tamil Selvan also not responding. Beginning is okay, now not at all speaking. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Solve it, yeah. If will solve only, I will be happy. If not, I will be really angry and I won't be happy. How many questions we have solved same way? Again, next week again I will conduct exam. Let me see. Do it now. Dedication is not there. Children are thinking that let me enjoy. But this is not the way we are studying. If you see the graph, you should analyze the answer. Like that you have to be. Do it fast now, all of you. So this is what the 4th question. Once if it is completed, you tell me.
Completed, sir.
So now, completed, Amma, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Others? Manya, Samya? Yes or no? That is. So let us come to the last question. So last question we should solve it. So last question, if it comes to here we should plot the graph first. If you want to calculate anything, they are asking so many things, subdivisions. You can see subdivisions they are asking, understanding. Whatever it is, plot the distance time graph. That is what the first we should do. If we plot the graph, then only we can calculate the average speed of the train. Next one, what is the highest speed? Next one, understanding distance traveled means what does the distance slow down, where it is traveled very slow, and what is the speed of the train between 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is what. So for this all, first we should draw what? If you want to calculate everything, we have to draw what? Graph.
Graph.
Understand? So graph, how we can draw? X-axis time period. X-axis what we will take? Time period. And Y-axis what we can take? Distance. Do you understanding now? Distance in kilometers. Understanding here? Distance in hours. Understand? Time in hours. So now what it will give you a distance and time graph always will give you what? Will give you
Speed.
speed. So now let us plot that graph. Later you can understand. Shall we plot the graph now?
Yes, sir.
All of you. So now
Sir.
let us plot the graph.
Sir.
Understanding that plotting graph also you people don't know. Then what I will do, Ram? So plotting graph also don't know means we are in a class 9th. How you can come to class 9th? I don't know. So we have to plot the graph in such a way that. So we have, what is the time range given? Check your notebooks and tell me what is the time range given. What is the time range given? Time range 10 to 10
10,
to what?
15.
10 to what, Ra?